Welcome back. This is vlog 14. I'm currently in Georgia at not Poinsett Park. I am not in Poinsett Park. These canyons that you see before you are not Poinsett Park. I am allowed to legally fly here with my drones. Not in Poinsett, but here I am. So obviously I'm near Poinsett Park at these other canyons, which are not in the park. So don't call the cops on me or tell the FAA to come kill me, because they probably would. But I'm going to be flying here today. This is not going to be a very long vlog, I'm just going to tell you in advance, but it's just like a really cool spot I went by, so I had to check it out. So we were just leaving the park, so I got a few photos. So for the flying I'm going to be doing here, I'm going to be shaking and I will be very nervous the entire time. So I'm not going to do anything risky because there's pretty much like nothing but trees around and I can't really get down because this is all like a big cliff, and down there's some water. So if I crash, the drone is pretty much gone for forever. So this is probably going to be like 1 or 2 packs of footage today. But it should be really cool because the spot is really nice. There's some canyons over there, of course, and should be able to go up and see a little bit of view. I cannot hit these power lines because that would be very bad. But as for right now, on to some flying.
Tell me what you're made of. Tell me what it's all for. Been looking for the answer, staring at the sky, but you'll never find it all out there. So what? Have you seen enough? You've been running around, you've been playing tough. You'll never be the man with those pills you swallow. Never find the answer at the bottom of a bottle. Hey, get those hands up high. Believe in yourself, cause you can change your life. You're looking for the answers, staring at the sky, but you'll never find it all out there. I said hey, keep your head held high, cause I know in my heart that it'll be alright. You'll never understand with the soul so hollow. Never find the answer at the bottom of a bottle. What are you afraid of? Tell me what you're running from. Looking in the mirror, but you don't look the same. No, you'll never solve it all out there. Now what? Have you changed or what? You try to come to grips, but it's all a front. You'll never be the same with the rules you follow. Never find the answer at the bottom of a bottle. Hey, get those hands up high. Believe in yourself, cause you can change your life. You're looking for the answers, staring at the sky, but you'll never find it all out there. I said hey, keep your head held high, cause I know in my heart that it'll be alright. You'll never understand with the soul so hollow. Never find the answer at the bottom of a bottle. At the bottom of a bottle. You'll never understand, yeah. At the bottom of a bottle. You'll never understand,
Okay, so that is the end of the flying for today. Sorry the footage was really short. I just really didn't want to lose the quad. I didn't do much, just floating around. I did a little bit of poking around those trees, but I just flew over to there and back because I'm still flying a FrSky XM Plus, so I don't really have the long range. I want, like a crossfire or something like that. So for now, that's all it is for today, is just some floating around here. Again, sorry the footage was short. I just flew one pack and then called it there. Because if there's anything I've learned from losing so many quads, it's to not push yourself over like a dangerous spot. If you could fly another pack and risk losing it, just keep where you are, just don't risk it, otherwise you're gonna lose everything. That rock almost just killed me. So yeah, that's the end for today. As always, onward and upward. You know, this would really suck if I fell down right here. I mean, I wouldn't die, I'd just like break my ankles and probably my legs. Nah, my legs would be fine, just broken ankles.